Hello everyone, in today's video I want to share a simple but very profitable strategy. I tested this strategy 100 times and it gained a win rate of more than 90%. I will go through everything step by step and try to teach you each and every detail, so be sure to watch the whole video. First of all, open to tradingview.com website and then select any market. You can use crypto, forex, stocks or metals. For now I will set my time to the 5-minute time frame for the strategy. But keep in mind that you can use this method on all time frames and this strategy can be profitable on all of them. It's time to add indicators to our chart. 3 free indicators will be used in this strategy altogether. Let's start with the first indicator. Before we begin, make sure you have subscribed and turned on notification bell to get new video updates. Open the Indicators tab from the top of the page in TradingView. We type our first indicator's name in the search bar, which is Bollinger Band RSI. Let's add this indicator to our chart. First of all, let's adjust few settings in this indicator. Double-click on the indicator or click this small settings icon. Go to Input tab to change few values. Default values are working, but we will use 7-period RSI. Next, we are going to change Bollinger Band's value, change length to 50. Let's go to Style tab. We change RSI color to white and increase line thickness. RSI and Bollinger is a simple and give clear buy and sell signals that we are going to use them to trade. This arrow signal is a combination of a well-known momentum indicator, RSI, and a volatility indicator, Bollinger Bands. We should have a rough idea of how this indicator works, so you can easily use this indicator signal to buy or sell. You can trade without even these arrows and using the regular RSI. Let's add our second indicator to help us understand this arrow signal. Open Indicator menu and type Bollinger Band. Add this indicator to our chart. We need to change the Bollinger length because we used 50 in the first indicator. So double-click on the indicator line and change length to 50. This indicator draw an arrow and give bullish signals when the price is oversold in the RSI. In the same time the prices exceed the band envelope, it will give us a bullish or buy signal. For an example like here, RSI is oversold and the price is outside of the lower Bollinger Band. Then the price moves inside the Bollinger Bands. We have a stronger and more confirmed buy signal. You can trade with this indicator alone if the 3 conditions are met. Whenever these conditions are met, you can enter the trade where the trigger candlestick is closed inside the Bollinger Band and make profit. This trade could have led to a huge profit for you. Also for the sell signals, the conditions are exactly the opposite. The price is outside of the upper Bollinger Band, at the same time RSI is overbought. Bearish signals appears when price come inside to the bands again, the trade where the trigger candlestick has been closed, and gain profit. Let me show you some more examples on different time frames and different currency to prove that this indicator is really precise and effective. Let's check out the 15-minute time frame and USD Japanese yen currency pair. See here, even in this time frame the indicator has given us a buy signal. If we had entered the trade using the signal, as you can see we could have caught a very big movement of the market. While the RSI is oversold, the price enters into the Bollinger Band. So we can enter the trade here and open a long buying position where the candlesticks has been closed again. The trade could have made a lot of profit for us just with the help of these 2 indicators alone. But if we use this indicator alone, we could face some problems same as other indicators. When the market is extreme overbought like here, in this situation we will get some fake signals. We can filter all of these fake signals using the methods that I'm going to show you later in the video. But before moving on to that, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on notification to help the channel with the algorithm. Okay, now let me teach you how to filter these fake signals and maximize our profit. We need to add another indicator to our chart and do some changes. On top of the page, click on the Indicators option and open the tab and type OBVADX and apply this indicator to our chart. I'm going to remove this RSI indicator for now. I will add later when we learn the main strategy. Double-click on the indicator or select this small setting icon. Open the settings of this indicator and change some things up so that the indicator can become more optimized and efficient for our strategy. First, select the Inputs tab. I'm going to use 14 DI length and 14 ADX smoothing level. That's it for now. We can click on the OK and close the tab. On it now, this is how the indicator looks and it contains some histograms. This is a trend indicator. We use this indicator to measure the overall strength of a trend. Whenever the ADX histogram is above the 50 line, it means that we are currently in an uptrend movement. We are allowed to enter the buy trade. As you can see, this indicator gives us a bullish signal at the start of a trend, which means we can place buy trades earlier and ride the trend with a lot of profits. If the histogram is under the 50 line, it tells us that we are in a downtrend movement and we should enter only short or sell trades. Let's bring back our regular RSI. I search RSI in the indicator panel and add this one. Double-click on the indicator and open RSI settings window, then change RSI length to 7. Go to Style tab and I change RSI color, and remove the stick to hide the moving average of the RSI line. Maybe I will bold the RSI a little bit, then hit OK. Let's see how all three indicators are working together. First one here, price is outside of the Bollinger Bands and then enters the Bollinger Zone. Price should be in the zone between the middle and upper bands, not touching or crossing the middle band. You can see RSI is overbought at the same time. Two signals are confirmed. Next, our third signal, wait until the ADX histogram draws a bearish bar here. 4 signals have been confirmed, and this signal is valid, so we can now enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss at the highest point of the previous 2 candles. There are 3 profit targets you can use to take profits. First one, fix profit targets like 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. 2. You can exit when the price is close to the middle band. If the middle band is too close to the entry, you can exit the trade using the lower band. The third profit target is when the RSI crosses the oversold line. Let's see another example. Price was outside of the Bollinger Bands right here, then crossed down to the band zone from outside. You can see the RSI was overbought at the same time. Now we should wait until the ADX histogram shows a red bar. The trigger candle should close between the middle and upper bands. This is our fourth and the last signal to place a sell trade. Our stop loss should place at the highest value of the previous 2 candles. We have 3 profit targets, 1, the middle band or the lower band, or you can exit when the RSI hits an oversold line. You can also set fixed profit targets. Now let's test a long trade and check out how to combine 4 conditions to enter a buy trade. We get a buy or bullish signal from the Bollinger Band and the RSI. The price was outside of the Bollinger Band. At the same time, RSI was oversold. Next, the ADX histogram has got to the above the 50 line or a green bar. Here ADX has a green bar, the third condition is met as well. Also, keep in mind that our trigger candle should close between the middle and lower bands to confirm this signal. I'm going to put a buy trade here. The stop loss is set below the lows of the previous 2 candles. Don't set your take profit this far. Middle band is enough for this trade. Or we can set a fixed profit target as well. Or exit the trade when the price hit the RSI overbought line. I want to test this strategy 100 times to see how much profits we could make using this strategy. I'm gonna fast forward the testing and let's see results. Major Forex pairs such as the pound dollar, euro dollar, Australian dollar, and Japanese yen combined with a 5-minute chart gave me the highest win rate. Okay, the results are in after the 100 trades and they're good, so let's check it out now. I used 5-minute time frame. This was done using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio on pound against the US dollar, and it took 1.5 months of price data to find the 100 trade signals. There were 72 winners and 28 losses. The gain on the account was 116%, and that's risking 1% per trade. That means if you had $1,000 account, you can gain at least another $1,000 using only 1 currency pair. You can use more than 1 currency pair, and you can gain more money with this strategy. If you want to know about another great strategy that is as good as this one, make sure you have subscribed and turned on notification bell. Also help me by liking this video and share with your friends. See you, take care.